You don't know what Jews represent for the whole SWAT team. Aim in a doctor love. Aim in a pretty girl star. Aim in a fret them. Out there. Focus again. It burn on it.
If you tear down him family and him family for all time,
Ladybug,
what the
look,
fuck you feel like?
when you got situation, you weren't even on the live until
I want to leave. I know I said I'm a church to Storm. I'm say Storm. I bet you any money on my name I gonna ring up say me put them up to it.
But hold on, you never hear
What
me.
you put we up to nothing? Everybody don't know we don't like posts. That we not stop.
Exactly.
We not stop watch till post go down.
I see it. Star, tell him the page on the Star Cleaner. It's the ape. She's sick. She's sick. This woman is sick. Is mentally disturbed. She did every blood
It's the
clot
ape.
we are
That's
time
the
for
ape's
me
page.
name.
That is the ape's page right there, so.
What is me?
Eh?
Go play this something for who never see
And dirty blood clot here. Too much. Fucking ugly
The ape
people.
over there call me blood clot name. Come on for me name, Drunk Pro.
The Yuga video diary?
Yes, because we don't know where Bug no go take care of our people.
I'm going to turn on the light just to me look on it here. Yes, I hear them that coming.
Wanna tell me which part did they saw? Nobody coerce him in say anymore and two women.
Me said the video bond them, it bond them diary because guess what?
Me say any Storm and Tanya never come on. Tanya and Storm he start tremble. Cause I know I get caught. Cause even when the guy asked him say, oh, I look like a steady bug. The point of the matter.
Why don't you big up yourself, Jenna? Everything them blame me. I mean not even the dead there.
It was Paulette, I think, over there, right?
No, to blood clot. They don't love call my name. That fucking ear. I have to get you off of the IG. You gonna remember me and picking them name. That's all I have to tell you. That's all. Y'all tell people about for done. You know nobody where y'all war with? Where y'all do on the internet you have so much page. The girl have so much page. The big nurse.
Yo, the woman have bare fake page. I go round and I go round and I fucking type.
Turn it up, make it fun.
She a PSW about nurse. Tanya, she a nurse. A PSW. Don't fucking kill me. Said the woman got the woman tell big time entertainment take on the video because she knows what she knows what's showing in that video. She knows. Well, her name is not Osha. You fucking fool.
Kandy. See why they have a charm.
Let me see how the next year then.
Mom, Kandy.
No.
This a stress out too.
I'm not right.
Watch you go. Damn fool. And then tell Pussy I go in bed. Why?
What you dancer?
Yeah? No, sir. Shortbread, you see it go. We could have exposed everything. Make sure keep fuck with me.
I know when you see him dig him up, you know. 'Cause when you
She exposed herself.
that more
Yes,
and
she wicked, nice.
more.
Dun.
One day, she was be already.
But the dad, the dad, yes, my dad. Cool, man.
Hey, Summer.
Isn't it? You want to that to the dad.
Where do you go?
One day thing when I'm going to hold them, man.
But you could see this is something Hugo do every night. Like him and him friend them chat to beer gal all over.
Everything I mean get blamed. I mean that even they did it. I mean that's why I'm a black name.
I try long one Kandy I play. More when you go certain friends say, yo, get me
That's
two
not
get
the clear. Just now before me stop it. Not chat to me.
Real.
na edit na the this so body language na I conversations can I
You can send for them Florida girl to it.
Hey,
For them Florida girl.
murder.
watch your boss. Watch your boss.
Watch ya. You see him up him have enough girl in a bongo. Watch you dance. Watch you dance.
Okay, I want second stop. No, and the song cut off the line.
Oh, you have to write the copyright.
Yo, I can't
It's
laugh.
off.
You gotta show him Rolex.
Bumbo.
You go happy at
Rolex.
Jamaica Post. You go happy, eat your heart out. Him happy.
Okay, alright.
The man full of freedom. I say when the man go see some name where him recognize him, catch him panic. Time say shit, they done fucked me over now, blood. I'm telling you. Puss could sleep, puss up from 5 o'clock or 4:30 Jamaican time. And they go 50 live and watch Moses so much time. Yet puss not Antonio. Antonio. Sometimes the Tanya nothing to do with Antonio.
I mean I have nothing to do with it.
It no matter
Nothing at all. Me I would never plan no.
what kind
I
of plan.
can't
I say me wake up and see Kandy.
I can't get calls on the day over the live. I may come over there. Big up real Dana. They just love call my fucking name, that's all.
Your name, I forgot get called for that one. I can't should have come over there. I should go over Kandy and make me work kids.
Never know me see you over there. Me just me think I did you and Fred then live.
Everybody man start catching Fred. Yeah, man, Fred now it look like a setup thing this. Lady see me forgot. Me not forgot to lie again. Forgot be a mother. Now I got to lie again. Tanya, lady,
The lady see have
lady
the
bubble.
ape for class up on her page. You know, to say the ape that star green woman is sick.
They for class.
Every
Yep.
But
time
She
every
changed
time
the
you type
name. All
up my
she does
name,
is change
ugly
the name
woman.
them, Tanya.
Every time you type up my name, my daughter go fix you. Every time you type up my name,
Mm-hmm.
you are sick. Your obsession over me.
they for class ladybug. She too enough. Or she reach us so. Them for class.
I don't
Them
know what
fit.
to reach in there.
Right.
One place I
All
read, man.
to all the woman love social media. Woman change look a girl upon the live.
Now the
Because
same
them
thing the big swine they do and tell her son say, oh, me and her did a talk and she be the baby. Why me not lie? Yo, them tell some lie for me, that's all me can say.
when
Mm-hmm. We
Tired
not
of
even
them
have to
people, man.
expose them, my love. Them expose their ass self. Can't bother. Right?
Too much.
No, sir. It is too much. And they don't see that they're doing too much. They don't, they like, fuck, man. Stop.
She have the
Like, you
ear
see
on
your
her
son get
favorite
kicked
class time.
off of the Black Lives Matter shit. Come off, man. Like, you ruined his career, basically, because he could have used that as an opportunity if he's looking a job. And she ruined it for him. Fucking fool.
A good fear. She like to walk and bother people. When people
Yeah,
gone
she
about
hyped too much. She hyped too much till she blood clot expose herself. Damn jackass. My
That
eye them
boner, you know.
greasy. Me say,
I should have more forget. More.
people have their eyes out there. They see certain things that I may not see. I send it to my blood clot. Don't give me. Yeah.
yeah, like she made a big mistake yesterday in her life. No wonder she have cost big time entertainment. I
Yes,
saw
that's
Yeah,
why she told him take down the video.
I saw why she's telling them to take it down. Me see it, lady, me see it. I have a screenshot, lady.
yeah, I love
Right?
it.
Me fling it up on the blood clot story. That fucker.
Me see it, lady, me see it.
But her name
It's
is
too
that this and
much.
this. Yeah, fucker, yo.
Everything was there, you fucker, yo.
She lucky say me never reveal the blood clot phone number.
Everything did it. Everything.
You see
Una
it,
can't
right?
do fingernail them too,
Make
but
she
she
fuck around with me. Yeah?
Her fingernail them
I
dirty.
fling out it blood clot. Now call me name, girl.
and
Don't call me name.
she talk about she a nurse and she not smoke. No, sir.
Right?
I
And
mean,
I near them dirty as
fucking
fuck.
over.
Me blood clot.
Yep, her address, everything. But she a sure.
Address, phone number,
She cannot
everything.
keep out her own stuff. She can't go cuss nobody. She put out her own name, address, phone number. It's there, bitch.
Everything. That's why she told Big Time Entertainment to take down the video.
Yeah. But she take it down and she
Her
go put it on
address,
her
phone
channel.
number,
Put
everything,
on
people.
everything did it. You worried about SWAT team? I put out your address, bitch. You put it out
You put it
yourself.
out yourself, duh. And your phone number, make the people them call your blood
Now,
clots.
she put it out on the seat.
That's what you get when you hype. When you
Show off,
hype up
show off,
your blood clot
show
self.
off,
Yeah.
show off, bring disgrace. You ever see it saying they show off, bring disgrace.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Her
fucker.
address was already out there. The address was the
Fucker.
same blood clot address.
The woman put out her whole name and address herself. Fucker, yo.
That's what you get when you hype up on blood
Well,
clot
now you
people.
can't
Yeah.
talk about friend them came and did this because you don't know who. Because you put your own address out there on the gram, on social
Exactly.
media.
Everything. Full name, middle name, last name, everything. Fucker. That's what you get. Hey, Fred, them, what's up, mama?
Hi, sister. Boy, the
Yeah.
rain is pissing
But her
outside,
name is
man.
not Osha. Move your blood clot. And how your last name is
She
Saunders?
put
You're not
out
married, bitch.
everything in bold letters too.
If you were married, your last name wouldn't be Saunders on the piapa. Fucker, yo. Boy, you're married. I'm married. Gives a fuck.
She lie, man.
Lie?
Woman is sick.
And she go buy herself ring.
Exactly. Exactly,
Up to
Candy.
her first time I fret them. We have
Yeah,
real ring.
can we put out we ring. She said, oh, because I told her that my ring is more than our blood clot hole. She get vexed.
She got her husband too. Mad fuck.
Everything she talks about is just for the internet. You hear me, people? Everything that she talks about is for the gram. Yeah, this junk bitch. Don't know when to stop. Freaking crazy, bro. Crazy. Mad people in a clean clothes, yeah? Yeah, but
Yeah, that she put out my address too. All of that they may have when
she put
you
out
remember when she put out
she put out
when
all
put
kind of
my
people's
address,
address
she put
out
my
there,
address
whether
out
it's
there.
real or fake.
All of them
She ended
something
up
they're
putting it
gonna
out
get a
there.
conviction. Watch.
She put out her.
Continue writing. I know all your page. And the mayor
But
of
that's
all
karma.
your page. Them. All of them.
Tanya,
Stop
that's
playing with
karma,
you.
right? When you do certain things, it comes back in full force. She
Yeah.
did all kind of things to people and she don't expect
She's
it to come
too
back
much.
around. Yeah,
She's
she
too
just
much.
hype up her
About,
blood clot
oh,
self too
it's your
much, and
credit
that's what
if it
happened.
done.
It
So wait, then me
backfire.
sit down and make you go and post, take a liberty and me and my children them. I'm enough to talk.
Right?
Blood got
Yes,
nothing to
Fred
do
them.
with
Me
it.
too. Top part our head back.
Nobody can silence me. I
Me
don't know
neither.
where the big walk head dog
They
lady
want
see come
silent
from.
SWAT team and
Lady
make
just
SWAT
sit
team
down and
off of the
stop call
internet.
people name the man. Lady, do I know you, lady?
The
She's
lady I look.
ruining her son's career. That's all I know.
Exactly. How when the woman in a problem, the woman won't leg off of the cyberbullying. Me never see this in our history.
I never seen this yet in my life. Ever. Never seen anything like this. She still, the woman don't have no chill, bro. You see you're getting in trouble. Your son, something happened on the Black Lives Matter thing, and you still insist to do a live for say you
First
rub
thing what
me.
you do, press live. You can't rub
You
me.
press blood clot. You can't rub me. Move your blood
I use the
clot.
law and deal with you. Yeah, you were warned many times, and you're still doing it. We know all of your dirty page, them lady. All of your page, them. They got sick stomach.
Yeah, cause before me always I would have page them, but then the type into them let me know say she.
Yeah, she. We have all our page, them. We know all of them.
Mad people settings. I look upon them. Oh shit. Ooh.
Ladies mentally unwell now, man. That's all I can say. They make the internet be their life. Like, I could never get caught up on the internet so bad that I bring it in my home. Whatever I am doing on the internet, it's affecting my home. And on still I do it. Exactly, shortbread. Shana talk, they talk. They talk. They are friends. You never see when Puss was showing the picture with Kiara, it was the page. The page them rallying in Amanda Whitehall. It was on the page. If you look, let me show you. Kind of think a joke.
Who they behind it door?
Eh?
You sure puss know who they behind the page?
Yes, she knows. She knows. She knows.
Who's still styling me now?
Alright, I want to know for look.
At 16-year-old, look at
When you
this.
see page up at top,
Look at this. Come on, man. When you have close people, pick them up here, picking them intact. When you have class, you look at the poor shoes, a big L. You look at the foot swells like she have elephant. This my lighting. Look at the little pitney. Look, you are close people pitney. You know, shame on yourself. You know, shame on yourself to make your pitney come look like you, girl. You know, shame on yourself, say the way how you eat and have the pitney them look. Get them to the fucking gym, bruv. You're wicked to your pitney them. You're a wicked fucking mother. When you eat up in my business. My business. I'm you now come out of my business. Well, you have a blood clot still in my business. Cause me now I'm going nowhere. Go and sort out this girl. Look at your daughter belly. Look at your daughter belly. You're talking about my grandchildren and my children. Look at this. Look at this. Look at your pitney them belly. Look how your pitney stay bad. Look how your daughter stay bad for 15. I got 16-year-old. And you want class people pitney. Look at your daughter. Look at your 15. I got 16-year-old. And I thought all kind of thing who's so good, Orico so good. Remember them talk about Orico so good and Trinity so good. Well.
but I never me said that. It was your friend said that. It was Chin said that. Me I love that too. Cause we are go court. We are going to court.
She and her mother attack. Oh my pitney them ugly. My pitney them this and that. Look at your daughter. God now see me for exhibit this. Cause this I gonna make the little girl go get help. This I gonna make the little girl get help. This I gonna make the little girl get help. Cause she gonna sit she need help.
Yes, but she idiot. She thinks say me don't know why she thinks say I feel her children them alone to graduate.
They do children now.
You're just mad because you don't have a certificate. You're just mad. You're just mad. You're just mad. That's all. Look up at top.
Look at your daughter, you a class people picnic. Good God, man.
So.
Poor shoes are bad for murder.
And you know separate them put up her daughter have her in the same shoes as Kiara.
And my children,
her daughter have the same shoes like Kiara. But I'm not gonna fall to her level. I'm not gonna give away my rights. See page up here, sir. See page name up here, sir.
What are you saying? You get your medicine.
You know no sense. You can't dip on my back. You think my kids them give a fuck about you? My kids them are star. They are stars. Hello? I go on me dip on live, me so call you back here. Oh, first ask your mother alright? Mommy alright? But me them give her ensure. Ensure is very good.
Who's need help?
No, man. Them have to force her and give her the ensure. Enough water, yeah. Cause that not much of us eat. That school says she come up, but you need fluid. Yeah, because if she not consume nothing, I should drink the ensure, man, and give her, even if she even drink even 4 of that a day, she will alright. Cause that have, each of them have everything in it for a meal, you know? But she have to eat, she can't sit down and not eat. But when I come off and let me call her back here, babes. Alright then, sister, bye. Listen, none of what they do to my children, that don't, listen. my children, them. She want, I'm telling you something what I don't understand, right? From the day she come and land in a UK, they lock her up. She was locked up in the police station at the airport, right? All the way here, she say immigration. The woman even say immigration say, oh, we're tired of Tanya. We need to get her off the internet. I was like, what the fuck? Like, what kind of immigration? I'm gonna say that to her. Anyways, they asked her about the online bullying of me and the children, blah blah blah. She take out her phone, she show them fake message. That's why I keep on saying, make sure it's me who send, put up your grandkids, because I can go for the video on YouTube. It was Chin said those nasty stuff, not me. So anyway, now from that, she's trying to build a case. So when she do Kiara this now, she think that I was gonna run out and do her children that. No, I don't. You understand? Because I'm not giving away my rights. I just allow her. She don't know that what she done it on her name, on her page. Janet Bailey. And no matter where she go on, yeah, she knows say people like them don't want people like she in the country, yeah. Them a get rid of who forget reader. Right? So you hear me clone her daughter-in-law phone. All them crap there I don't even understand because I don't know the girl page. I don't know the girl number. I don't know the girl. So how would I do all of these stuff? Right? So in the end of the day, that's not gonna stop Kiara from getting her certificate. It's not gonna stop her. She's going to a private sixth form. Private. That she gets sponsored. It's not a government sixth form. It's a private. That's how brilliant my daughter is. I don't business what you want to say. The ape is saying that, just because she said I picked them a graduate. But wait there. So my children, them gonna just grow up and don't graduate, don't go to school and don't graduate. Amanda already graduate. How many years ago? Amanda go to college. Amanda go secondary school. Amanda go college, and Amanda finish everything. Kiara is at the age to graduate. So why it's a problem that Kiara graduate? I don't know, and I don't want to know. I'm not interested. All I know, you ruin your son's life. Shame on you. Shame on you. And you still determined. You're gonna bring me down. Yeah. And fret them child is in prison. Like the stuff them that these people come on social media and chat. I mean for ask myself, like, Jesus Christ, man, come on, like you don't even know Fred them son. Fred them don't post her child. So how did you know that Fred them son is in prison? Fred them son gave Fred them a beautiful mamacita granddaughter. My little niece is so beautiful. You understand? I don't get it. Like when you just come on social media and chat shit to bring down people. How would you know that Fred them son is in prison and you don't know the woman pitney? Like a full time now not talk about me. Every time, uno reach in at the war. Uno related to it. Ladies, see how you reach in there. Same way like how Diary and Kandy in there. How you reach in there. How the ape reach in there. You can't see Fred them comment. Fred them shortbread so she can't see a comment. I'm done. I'm not arguing with you people. You can't cause me a day with email. They email back and forth, back and forth. I'm not arguing with you, lady. You need to get off the internet and go make it right with your son. Your son is trying to do something in life, and because of your nasty pedophile behavior, you caused your son to get thrown off the Black Lives Matter. You caused your son video on the mayor page to be taken down. And you're still not stopping. So if all of them something there reach you, my God, no stop. Mama, you go buy my mango. Eh? Hey, watch him phone and that. So let's see, me think you can go buy me 2 mango. Alright, watch us some man. Okay, now listen. Yeah. I have
What?
time for it.
Look at them have more mango at my store too.
You're just mad because you think that you're untouchable. Are you still doing it? And every single one of your page them, we send them over. Every one of them. And I tell you, when time you sit down with a handcuff by your hand, and you hear that you get charged for your behavior. Yeah? And your kids them cannot be in your care because you're a pedophile. The stuff them that you speak out of your mouth, the stuff them that you type, the pages them that you make, you're a disgusting human being. All of uno are disgusting. And that's why you don't notice, the ugliest people, the retarded, the handicapped, all of uno just team up in a one, the slow brain in mind, the slow speech. Some of them Tanya Tanya put Tanya, you know, it's being retarded people I'm arguing with, like the lowest of the lowest, like special
Get
need.
Uku.
Exactly. Right? You stand and you make your nasty pages them, and you're harassing me and my kids them, and then you come out. How dare you come out yesterday screaming and crying out your voice because your son get kicked off of the Black Lives Matters? I told you. Same way out. No, I am telling you, stop. Stop typing my name. Anyway, my name reboot. But me see I type up Kalia name, Raleigh name, and Amanda name. Allow out me and my children. Every time you type our name up with your dirty pages, yeah, we're doing the screenshot and we're doing sending them the evidence, the evidence, the evidence. You never want to listen. We never want to contact them, but they need to know that Tatar mom is staring down black women and their children and their husband on social media. Yeah, they need to know. And all of the Black Lives Matters, them people, they are watching your page. She bring disgrace to her son, you know that, Kandy, right?
Huh?
Her son is shame of her. The little guy is shame of her. And the woman won't stop. Hi, auntie. Yeah, I am on live. Kandy, with a reason. Yeah. No, 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 no. All right. Yeah, all right. Me said the woman's son. The thing says she want rallying, Tanya, she upset with your baby. I know, Shortbread, she obsessed. Every minute rallying this, rallying that, she don't know rallying. You understand? The woman's son is disgusted by her behavior. And I tell her, the people them well catch up on her page. Watching. You know why they take her son off? They're on her page. They're on her page and seen her screaming, hailing sexual abuse against children, talking about children underneath, talking about children being, when a child get molested, how devastating that is to a child. Hmm? And the woman don't care. She don't care. You know when she's gonna care, Kandy? When she there behind bars and her children them are taken out of her custody and placing them with God knows. You're a pedophile, lady. All of you mind, a pedophile. Cause for uno for sit down and say, pick the pussy fuck out. Yo, I don't know which planet to come, but all I know, sad. True, it's sad. God know it's sad. You know when the man that was speaking to the head of the Black Lives Matter, you know, and telling them what this woman is doing. And even though her son, right, the only thing that he end up in it, because when Amanda reached out to him and said, listen, this is what your mom is doing on social media. Oh, you lot are terrorizing. No, Tachar. Nobody's terrorizing your mom. Your
Yeah,
mom
so my
terrorizing people.
mother tell him.
Amanda told him. And he
Yes,
blocked Amanda and said, oh, that's a lie. My mom is not troubling nobody. Yes, your mom is.
I'm afraid of her, trust me. They have to do what she said.
You think that the people them wouldn't take down her son video and take him off if they never have evidence? Remember, anybody could come and say anything. They're not going to get up and believe. They've been monitoring her page for like 3 weeks now. And they call Amanda. And Amanda speak to them. And they see everything she's doing to us, me and my children them. You understand? And she still don't care. She still don't care how she's hurting her son. It's sad, man. Lady, you were talking about me need to stop. When you talking about, Tanya, I never done you anything. It's not me fuck up your son life. It's you fuck up your son life. You don't know nobody on the internet where you are tear down and I make you dirty now. The way you aggressive. You don't think that the girl them take your man, lady, you're sick. And they have to evaluate you. And I'm telling you, Kandy, that woman is taking medication. Bet you any money.
He is
She's taking
crazy.
medication.
I'm not
She's
looking
sick.
at still got come.
Marie Shortbread, but she not realize she trouble man. Exactly, Shortbread. She's screaming out, Amanda, that you. She's still verbally abusing Amanda same way. But she don't know what's gonna reach her. I'm telling you, lady. Can't say me don't warn you. Can't say you wasn't warned. You've been warned. You've been getting warning from the day you came out and verbally abusing me and my kids. You cannot show no life I did. Because all of the life them I did, I have them. I send them also. And I told the people them, yeah, I have to respond. I was getting verbally abused. Not only she's calling me 5 o'clock in the morning and Instagram, she's threatening, she put out my address, she's called social. I have all of those things to prove that this woman is a sick. Canada is 4 years prison sentence for cyberbullying. I already showed that the two little girl them who were getting cyberbullied and they killed themselves. Suppose me wasn't raise my children them to strong, even though Amanda is sick physically, but mentally my children them are strong children. My pity them with a kids commit suicide and stuff them that wanna do them. The stuff them that growing ass women from nowhere. I don't know none of you know. Yeah, Shortbread, they're gonna report your comment. None of you don't know me. I wanna get up and because Puss come up on the internet and say, oh, Puss tried to blackmail me and it never worked. You can't blackmail me with lies. Oh, you out of your mind? And then the whole I wanna come out from out, I don't know whole, the cave, any rat bat alligator, all of uno come out for me and start cuss me. You understand? Because guess what? Uno want my life for me have. And you take a set. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Uko because Uko did something with me. I addressed her. Oh, don't argue with Uko. Argue with me. I argue with you for lady. Me don't know ya. Me not counter lady. You're crazy.
This is the only attention she gets.
Class in Amanda. Me and my daughter sit down and we reason and said, Mom, he's so sad to know that this woman would ruin her son. Now he can't get a resume from them organization there. Because of who? His mom. And anyhow, if he did listen to Amanda and said, okay, send me the proof, and Amanda sent him the proof, and then he apologized to Amanda and said, I am going to sort my mom never do this. That you people are harassing my mom. No, we're not. We're not. Your mom is sick, Tajar. And your mom will go through the length to tear down her own kids' them future. All because she want to say, me are the baddest thing, pon. Me are the baddest chaser. Listen, you not tracing. Seem like you're a gynecology underneath, telling someone that they're workless. And if someone is, because me seminar walk, you cuss down say she walk too much. You cuss me seminar drive. You cuss down say her vehicle park up. Like, lady, make up your mind. You cuss me say the ring that up on my finger. You cuss down say the ring with up on her finger cheap. It's like, I don't get it. The woman, no matter what you do, she's gonna cuss you anyway. You gonna tear down your own son future just because you wanna say, oh, me and the body. Okay, lady. Alright. You notice? Me just laughing, me now argue with you, cause me know what's up the pipeline for you. We got the confirmation, Amanda got the call, email flying all parts from Amanda doctors. You lady, you don't know, lady. You don't know. You gonna see us in Canada. You're gonna see us in the court. If the place open up, are they doing the satellite one? It don't matter. You're gonna see us in the courtroom. I promise you that. I promise you. You don't know. You don't know how Amanda is loved by her doctors. You understand? You don't know every day this little girl struggling with her illness, and here you people tearing her down for no reason. No reason. She haven't done none of nothing. Just because she love her mother and she love her siblings. And that's where we hate her for. Uno unfair. Uno unfair. She never trouble none of uno. All she asks pussies to, leave me and my sibling out of you and my mom argument. I don't care. That's low way. Stop spreading rumors and lies. And then she start bring down Amanda even worse. You understand? And then you know other chick, yeah, right up the peer just say, cleaner, cleaner. Yeah, I see it, they're gone live. Cleaner, cleaner, star, a star. Oh, red pill, you're for done. You for done. You are one of them who, you know, is promoting slackness, lady.
I don't know which page she depend. She always there. All she know for do a black people and itch up on them page.
She hurt. Yeah, she's on here. She's hurt. She know what she's gonna get. Telling you, I feel so proud of my daughter when I see she get up and she said, Mom, listen, enough is enough. I'm gonna use my intelligence and I'm gonna make my voice heard. This enough is enough. And yesterday when we get that call that they remove him half, we were happy. Yeah, lady. Yeah. Yeah, lady. Understand yourself. You're not God. You don't have no power. You don't have no, oh, I'm going to sue this. You can't sue nobody. You're going to find yourself behind bars. You think you can be a cyberbullying and harassing people? Remember, lady, I never ring your phone. You came in my inbox and I screenshot all of that. You rang me a Saturday morning. It was 8 o'clock in the UK. I don't know what time it was in Canada. And me and Rylan was relaxing, and when I look, my phone ring on Instagram. Another woman showed me her toilet. Oh, go and clean your toilet, Tanya. Go and clean. I was like, lady, how would you know that my toilet is dirty? Say, lady, you are sick. And while I was talking to her, I screenshot everything. She was right in my inbox cussing me. Lady, I'm not playing with none of una, lady. You don't know. You don't know. The woman that cussed me in my inbox. For the woman they in her bed asleep. I will never. When the ear push step on, oh, Tanya, I love going people inbox. Are you crazy? Never.
Don't call me name dirty sour post. You big and stink now. Let me go find my computer. This big stinking hog. She
Oh,
who figure
you
eat
have
your
to come out, sharp bread. Log out and log in. I wish the Kandy was live and I comment something and they report it and they blocked me for like a couple of hours. And I was
yeah,
like,
there with
I
the
never
key.
was. I never even. I wasn't even. If you put ape, Batman, post all of them one day, they keep on reporting over and over till the computer is picking up as a ban. Harassing and bullying. This is what Puss want. This is what Puss want. Legacy doesn't know. This is what Puss want. She want people to be miserable and cussing. And Legacy, you have your children there, man. Stop by out. This argument doesn't concern you. Stop make Puss drag you in things. She can't actually report it because she's mad. She's mad. Don't
You
worry, people.
talk here and come off and
Before
the people them.
soon gone. You're not gonna find out. You're not gonna see her page. Me, I tell you no. She's gonna disappear. Disappear. She think we're playing with her. I'm not playing with her. Yeah, she want the people them to cuss me. You understand?
The
She
police
want
come
the
up.
people them to cuss me.
Man.
No police called me. No police called me.
Did you hear Kandy? Did you hear I said police call her?
Oh,
Did you
you
hear I said
arrested
okay.
in court. They question.
Okay, I never say police caller. I said when she reached in the United Kingdom,
We are
it wasn't no immigration hold her and telling her, "Oh, we're tired of Tanya." Like, get the fuck out of here. No immigration. I never said no police call you. When I like to twist up the talking and act like when they don't know what me attack. I said police will up on you and
oh,
ask you about
yeah.
what's going on with me and you. Stop with the lies, lady. You always lies. You understand? You nasty old uku. Don't worry. Keep it up, uku. The more you talk about me, is the more battering you're gonna get. Keep it up. I never said police call her. Never said that. Never said that.
She's
She said immigration put life on her, and immigration tell her say me grass her up, and immigration tell her they're gonna lock me up for wasting immigration time. I don't understand. Like no immigration won't tell you that. Wasn't no immigration. Was the police them at airport? Cause your name get flagged up. Stop with the lies, man. Stop. Everything is a lie, fabricate story. Everything is a lie. I don't know why you have to lie. I don't know why. I don't see why you have to lie. I never said that. Them black the Jew, make another one. You know, Shortbread, you know I never said that. You know it's Uku carrying the man. You know Uku is slow and retarded. So you have Uku, you can't call me mad. Yeah? If I was mad, I would have my babies in my home right now. I wouldn't have custody of my beautiful children. So I can pretty them up, do them ear, nice them up, bathe them, brush them teeth, cook them dinner. They would be in social worker care. So you can't call me mad. You attack yourself. I'm not arguing with you, Uko. I'm tired to tell you. I'm stop arguing with you. Summer is nice. Any day, as I said, it could be today, it could be tomorrow. I will just have a stroll and go to the hairdresser shop named Lady Glitter to do my hair. I'm not saying, I'm done talking to you, Uko. So you can't carry the fake news them over there. None of what you still ask me say, me never say. I said, when you reach in the UK, the police them who are at the airport lock you up and question you. But you turn it around and you said, immigration tell me say, Tanya say, immigration say them are gonna call because we as police and immigration talk. Not immigration now tell them type of thing. We are food. Come on. Oh, no, say. Me is a police caller. I never said that. I never said that. When they carry too much news, I want to don't carry the news them. And then when they done, when they say me, I know, I me for stop. Look how much time me stop. I me go where me I go. I want to depend my name. Hmm? Them idea for me. All lies, 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 morning, noon, lies, 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 lies. Hmm? Look past she now. This a ugly one that just come from nowhere. I said name. How is that brother? Oh, so me if I allow my brother to destroy my mother. What you know about my mother? What do you know about that lady? What do you know about that matriarch of our family? You know, other day when you go back home, the woman carry him got dentist and the woman sit down with him and said, you go, enough is enough. Stop doing what you're doing. Oh, mom, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. This, that, that. I went to come back again. God with his bullshit. None of you don't know nothing. We don't want to put in a 1 cent, on a 2 cent, on a 3 cent in a people family life. You understand? She even call up your name and Bashi again yesterday on her life. Apes and the love.
Yeah.
Listen, she can't call brush gone both time. We make she call Shortbread. I'm telling you. Just give Amanda a couple more weeks. It could be 1 week, it could be 2 weeks. We got her. We got her. She don't know the type of people where we're talking. That's why I'm not arguing with her and I'm not behaving the way yesterday when she was behaving. The people them well cock up on her page and watch how she scream and the children them are in her present and she's so aggressive. Like, lady, what are you doing to your babies them? You must abusing them, man. You're so aggressive. You're so aggressive, lady. Calm down. Why are you acting like that?
A true post put up Trinidad. That's why she said police lock up the woman. Oh,
Here, yeah.
Oh, yes. What
Here, them are mad. So, here, the news carrying it. I know that Puss don't know. The Puss don't know, right? Who could it done report Puss already? Let me tell you something. You know much time, all 100 times a day, who could call police ban Puss. You know that, right?
Yeah, about the phone
No,
captured.
no, hear this what she say. Because who's put up chin data. You hear them mad from here with a girl here come and attack. Hmm? Pay madness to attack. Don't know where Uku attack can make sense. Pay wrong information. You know that Uku mental health, she get bored easily. And this thing what she do back and forth, giving push wrong information because she want war on the internet. She want problem on the internet. That's what she wants. Because she's bored. This is entertaining to Uku. This is entertaining to her. It's fun, big time entertainment. She says she I go show him picture with him girlfriend if he don't take down the live. She did. And that she said? Tanya, if you follow up post, you're gonna be cussing for the rest of your life because she wants that post is unhappy. Yeah, Kemi, I'm not arguing with post. I'm not arguing with post. I'm not talking about post. I'm talking about Love Sanders. I'm not talking about post.
Why you see though, you saw you mix up. Why you bring Tanya name over here? You hear me call Tanya name over here?
You understand? I'm not talking about posts. I'm talking about the ape and the stuff them she's doing on social media, what is affecting her son. And I'm telling you, I'm not a wicked person. I'm not a wicked person. On my children, them life. I have compassionate. My mom breastfeed me until I was 5 years old. You got to understand, I was loved. My dad and my mom split up when I was 7 years old. So that little love that my mom and my dad gave me when I was a child, I have that love to give. Right? And as I said, me and Amanda sit down and we discuss. And we don't like to know that her son is a black young man and is trying to make something of his life. But then again, he needs to put his mother down to sit down and say, listen, you got to stop what you're doing. What you are doing is illegal. It's affecting us. You understand?
So
right? He can't say that. When people come in him inbox and I tell him where mother talk, nobody don't get up. How ask her, where does this woman know me? How did this woman know me? Because I never know her. I never know this lady. She cussing me from YouTube, showing a big brown docket and said it's me and Rallying docket. We don't have no docket. Then when she do that, she start cussing me. You have an elephant in your stomach. All these things. Why she's cussing me? I was lying down with my newborn baby. Kalia was about a month old when she had cussed and I say, oh, she teach me how to cook. How you teach me to cook and I don't know you, lady? I'm not on your page. I'm not watching you. So how would you teach me how to cook? On top of that, you went over puss and start cussing me and my kids them and all type of nasty things that come out of your mouth. And I told you, lady, stop. Stop. What you're doing is affecting your son. And as I say, Kandy and people, me and my daughter sit down because I sit down and talk and I listen to my children. It don't matter if Amanda is 25 and I'm her mom or Kiara is 16. When they come and they want to ask me and they want to talk to me, I will sit and I will listen. And if I'm
right,
I will
go I look fashy.
Cussing her is a trope. I am not cussing this woman no more. I am telling this woman, you need to stop. You affecting your child. Your son is devastated that he works so hard to be an activist. And then you are on the internet. You know?
Fuck with them business.
We're not robbing her. She's looking evident. She knows. People, listen. This woman knows, what await her. So what she's doing now is she want me to come in her inbox to set me up. She
Me
want me to come in social media and
here,
start showing her son.
but
No, lady. No, lady.
spelling name correct.
No.
She want to go in her son inbox bad. She said she dare you know. She a try
I will.
set up.
She cannot set us up. I will never go in her son inbox. And I will never go in her. She's wasting her time. I'm tired to tell her, lady, I'm not arguing with none of you people no more. I'm not arguing with you, lady. Amanda, I leave you to Amanda. Amanda know how to deal with you. You are all abusing, how vulnerable. I'm telling you, you're gonna lose your job. Watch and see, lady. Watch and see. You never know that we will get contact with the people them that your son is doing charity work with. You never know. Remember, this woman like to brag and like to show off. Ask her why she never highlight that interview her son do with the mayor of Burlington. She never want to highlight it because she knows that if they know what she is doing on the internet, her son is in trouble. And then child, and then a cry wolf, bawling up my name. When I have to sit and watch you typing up my baby's name, when I have to sit and watch the fucking nasty page you're making rally name, huh? You don't remember all those things you done me and my kids, lady? And now it's your time to feel hurt. Your time, lady. You take it, lady. Either you want to take it with a syringe or you want to take it with a spoon. It's up to you. I don't care. And the more you come out and the more you swear and the more you sound so aggressive, right? Is the more problem you in.
Careful.
She's gonna remember us. And whether you cuss me, Fred, them man, it don't matter. All I'm saying, lady, I'm gonna take you off of social. Not me. Amanda is gonna take you off social media. Your
Also,
behavior.
you're too
You're
rude.
doing too much, lady. You're doing too much.
Go far
If
you
you was only robbing me or robbing you robbing babies. You in that chat, you see that page? I'm
and
telling the people. You see that page running in Amanda Hall?
have anything
She ever know how Amanda hurt for that page.
spell my name properly. I know my name
And,
spell
and you know what, right?
now.
When you go on the page, me and the children them should show up. What kind of obsession, lady? She even have Kiara's graduation picture up there. She got baby Kalia and a bare nastiness and post Uku and all of them on the page. I'm not saying no, no.
Page
I am
them
gonna get all my kids them in it.
as
I
soon
am gonna get this.
as I block them. No, I don't want them page up on my page. I'm gonna follow them page then.
Exactly, sister. She's gonna have to show how she know us. Because I don't know her, and Amanda already spoken to the mayor. I don't know her. We don't know her. My mom haven't know her. For the last 2.5 years, she's making me and my mom and my sibling life a hell. She won't stop. She's calling us. She's trying to follow in my children. Them the girl did have how much page. Me have to clean up Rallying Instagram page. Me not easy the idiot girl. I do too much. And we are gonna fix her dirty blood clot. Wait for it sharp and she know what I do for a living. All I can say, we hit the nail. You're hurt. You could have screamed out your voice a little bit more. You were warned. You're still doing it. Oh, Tanya, I'm done with you. Afraid them a liar tell. Liar tell. Afraid them is my sister. You're a troublemaker, lady.
Not done with nobody until she get fixed.
And she's getting it. The herbalist thing. She's getting it, sister. She's getting it, Kandy. You saw she scream. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday when I hear Amanda on the phone, I'm so proud of my baby girl. She was pouring her heart out to the mayor and the top person, you know, because the Black Lives Matter, they are everywhere around the world. She was saying, listen, you know, I did reach out to Tate and I did tell him, you know, what his mom is doing. I am not well. I'm on chemo. And this lady, she won't stop. She won't stop. Then you have all, you think that you are powerful coming on social media, screaming out your voice and saying,
Good afternoon, people. Wagwan sister, Wagwan Candy, Drew, my friend, the real Dan Lemon, everybody on the live.
What does Manda buy?
Dan who? Lemon? Dan Lemon can't over there. I must somebody else. Oh, Dan a lot that.
Of course, sister. Amanda is very intelligent. I keep on telling them. Amanda is highly intelligent, no lie. Swear.
Jenna, what's up, Jenna?
What's up, Jenna? The delusion of Shushan of Ocean, Nicole Joshua. Exactly, shock. The woman is sick. I never know somebody can be. I'm gonna be honest.
Damn.
She's even sicker than Post. It's the truth.
Listen, Tanya, when I
I'm
argue
telling
with
you.
Ape, I don't tell you already, you know, see Ape say,
She's
shot
even